Hi everyone, my name is Raven and today I'm going to show you guys a super fun activity that you can do at home while you are in quarantine. So today we're going to make Play-Doh and I'm going to show you guys first what you need and then we'll go into the recipe. So you need flour, salt, cream of tartar, oil, food coloring, and then boiling water. For the boiling water part, you're going to want to grab a parent or adult to help you out because it's super hot. So first, I've already pre-measured everything, but I'll tell you how much you need as we go. So the first step we're going to do is put our dry ingredients into our big mixing bowl. And it doesn't matter what order, you just dump them all in. So I have 1.5 cups of flour. Then I have 1/2 cup of salt. There you go. And for the last dry ingredient, I have 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. Now I'm going to take my spoon and just mix that up real quick. Perfect. So once your dry ingredients are mixed, you're going to go ahead and go in with your wet ingredients, which are 2 tablespoons of oil. Go. And then remember to grab your parent for this part. You're going to get your 1 cup of boiling water. So I have mine right here. My mom poured it for me, so nice and safe. So now you have that. And you just go ahead and mix it up again. And then it's going to get like a dough consistency, like Play-Doh. So you just keep on mixing. And remember, if it gets too sticky, you can add more flour. But if it gets too clumpy, you can add more water. I think mine is pretty good. It's kind of hard to mix, so you may need some help mixing this too. And it's going to be warm because you just added boiling water. Okay. I'm going to try to show you guys what it looks like right now. You guys see? It kind of looks like Play-Doh. Okay, perfect. So now it's pretty hot. It's warm. So if you want, you can go ahead and stop right here and pop it into the freezer or the fridge to cool it off. Or you can just go ahead and keep on working with it. If you do decide to put it in the freezer and chill it off for a little bit so you can knead it, roll it out, I would suggest you do the food coloring before you put it into the freezer. I'm not going to put mine in the freezer because I think it's okay and it's not that warm, but it's totally up to you. You don't want to hurt yourself. So this is what it looks like now. This is what it looks like. I have 1 clump. And then I'm going to work my fingers in there real quick. That's good. And I want to make mine pink because pink's my favorite color, but it's totally up to you guys. You can divide it into half, make it 2 different colors, however you want. So for pink on this box, it says I need 12 drops of red and 4 drops of blue. I think I have red and green. Is the blue here? Here's the red and the blue. So now I'm going to do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we'll do the 4 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to try mixing it, but you may need to work work it in with your hands. I probably should have worked it in with my hands. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then if you wanted to do just one color, it is easier to put your food coloring straight into your boiling water. That way when you pour it in, it'll already change colors, because right now it's not taking the dye too well. So let me pick it up and show you guys. Looks like I need a lot more dye. So I'm going to add some more. I did about 10 drops right now just because I thought it would take a lot, and then your hands might change colors, like mine are getting a little red, and that's okay. If you want, you can use gloves to protect yourself from that. And it already feels like Play-Doh. Mine kind of looks like almost tie-dye a little bit. So you just keep on working it and working it. And go on more food coloring. And then I'm not measuring how many drops I'm doing, I'm just working it. But I need to add some more blue. So I've only been adding red. Let's go in with some blue. I think I'm starting to see some pink. It's looking like a dusty rose color. I'm not sure you can see it on the camera. Oh, so you just keep on working it down. You get tired, you can get someone to help you. Probably be beneficial. And I'm gonna do, I think, one more drop of red and blue. Not one more, but one more time. Because I see the pink showing up. Oops. My mom's giving me instructions. It's good to listen to your parents to help you out. Okay, I see the pink. Do you guys see the pink? I think maybe I did a little too much blue, but I kind of like it. It looks tie-dye. Okay, let's see. I think I am all done with my Play-Doh. So you just can keep on working it for as long as you want. The more you push it in and knead it around, the better the color is going to blend if you put colors in, and the smoother it's going to be. So now you guys have your own Play-Doh that you made all by yourself. And yeah, you can use a cookie cutter to make shapes with it, cut it out. You can do all sorts of things, anything you want. So yes, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys all stay safe. Bye.